How to set up Shopify online store. If you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link in the description below. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to easily create, manage, and grow online stores. So first of all, let's go to the top bar and click on Pricing. Here, you can check out the different pricing plans that they offer, starting with Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. Now, let's go over to the main page and click on Login on the top right over here. If you don't have an account, then click on my link and get your free trial. So as you can see, we're now in the Shopify dashboard. From here, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these sections. And on the main screen, you can see options to set up your account. Now, let's go to the left panel and click on Online Store. Then you need to select Themes right below it. So once you're in the Themes page, you will get to see your current theme right here. And if you scroll down, you will get to see more themes that you can choose from. These are the popular free themes. You can also use AI to generate your own theme. Just type in your prompt over here. Now, let's click on Customize on the current theme. As you can see, we're now in the editor page. From here, you can customize your theme however you like. On the left, you can see all of these sections. And on the right, you will get to see all of these options you can use to customize. So, let's go over to the left and click on Image Banner. On the right side, you will get to see all of these options. Click on Select. Here, you can upload or choose photos to add for your image. So let's click on Upload Image. Now choose the image from your device and select Open. After that, this image will be uploaded onto Shopify. Once it's done, you need to click on Done on the bottom right. So as you can see, the new image has been added. This way, you can add any image that you like. Now go over to the right and you can adjust its opacity right here. And since we put it to 100%, it is now black. So adjust it according to your preference. And as you can see, it's now becoming more and more visible. Then, you can select the height and animation for your image. After that, you have all of these options to choose from. So go through them and make your necessary changes. Then, let's go over to browse our latest products on the left panel. This is a default text. You can replace the text on the right side over here. So select the entire text and type in whatever you want. As an example, I will type in Store Latest Products. And as you type it, you will notice the text being changed on the template in real time. Once it's done, you can select the entire text and use the options on the top to make your desired adjustments. You can even change the heading size from the option right here. This way, choose whichever one that fits your needs. After you're done, let's head over to the left panel and click on the settings icon. Here, select Logo. So you can click on Select in order to add a logo for your web page. So click on Add Images and choose the logo from your computer or device. Go to the folder where the logo is and select it. As you can see, it's now being uploaded. Once it's done, select it and click on Done on the bottom right. You will notice that the logo has been uploaded and it will be added to the web page on the top. You can also make additional changes if you want. Then, let's go to Colors. Here, you can set a color theme for your web page. First, let's select Background. Here, you can drag this around to adjust your background. Then we have Headings. Here, you have Fonts. You can select your desired font from all of these options. You can also use the search bar on the top to search for your desired font. Once you select one, it will be updated on the template right away. So go through them and select your desired one. So once you're done making these changes, let's click on Save on the top right corner. After that, your web page will be saved. Now click on Exit on the top left. From here, go to Products on the left panel. After that, on this Add Your Product section, you can click on Add Product or Import. let's go with Add Product. On this page, you need to put in all the details of your product. Let's start off by putting in a title for the product. As an example, I will go with T-shirt store. You can put in whatever that you like. Now, go to the description section and put in the relevant description for your product. I will type in something random. Then, on the media section, you can upload photos or videos of your product. So I will select these demo photos. And as you can see, they're now being processed. Once it finishes, they will be added. Then on the bottom, you have category. Here, you can set the category for your product. After that, you need to set the pricing. You can also put in a compared price if you want. Then, you have cost per item. After that, there's profit and margin. You can also select track quantity to track your inventory. You can also set the inventory for your shop location. After that, we have shipping. Here, you can set it according to your preference. Once done, go to the top and click on Save. And as you can see, the product has been saved. If you go back to the products page, you will get to see your newly added product right here. Now, let's head over to the collections page on the left. Once you're here, you can create a new collection. You can type in the collection title right here. Then, put in the description and set the collection type. You can choose from manual or smart. On the left here, you can add an image for your collection. So click on Add and then click on Add Images. Here, choose the collection image that you want and click on Done. After that, it will be added onto your collections. So click on Save on the top. As you can see, our new collection has been created. Here on the product section, you can add products to your collection. So search for the product that you want, then select it and click on Add. The item has now been added to your collection and it shows active. After that, let's go to Online Store from the left panel. Here, click on Customize on the themes. Now if you scroll down, you will get to see your product added right here. You can select it and click on this delete icon to remove it if you want. And you can click on Add section on the left and select whichever type of section that you want to add. For example, collections. Now select a section and go to the right and click on Select. You can select from all your collections to add one over here. And if you select different sections in the middle, you can also add different collections for each one of them. Just click on Select and choose whichever collection that you want to set. Now, let's click on Add section on the left. After that, you can choose from any of these options right here. This way, set up all the pages. Now, let's go to the top and click on this Home Page option. Right here, you can select whichever page that you want. And as you can see, this page has now been set as the default. You can make further changes by selecting any of these sections and making your desired changes. You will also get to see all of these elements on the left side right here. So choose whichever one that you want to edit. You can also click on Add section again to add a new section to your page. And once you're done making adjustments, click on Save on the top right. Now, let's go to the left and click on Add section right under Footer. You can set email sign up if you want. After adding these sections, you can tweak them using all of these options according to your preference. You can add and remove different sections however you like. Here, let's go ahead and select Footer. After that, click on Add Block. You can see some options like menu. You also have other options like brand information, text, and more. So add them however you like, and once done, click on Save on the top right corner. So after you're done saving, let's exit this page. From this page, click on View Your Store, and you'll be able to view your final store. Here, just scroll through and go to different pages, and it will function just like it would in real time. Just preview your store and make sure that everything is according to your preference. If you need to make further changes, you can go ahead and do that before publishing. And that is exactly how to set up Shopify online store.